ഹരി ഓം ഗുരുസ്തോത്രം. അഖണ്ഡമണ്ഡലാകാരം വ്യാപ്തം യേന ചരാചരം തത്പദം ദർശിതം യേന തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരവേ നമഃ. Prostrations to that noble teacher by whom that state is indicated, which pervades the entire cosmos, everything animate and inanimate. Ajnanatimirandhasya jnananjanashalakaya chakshurunmilitam yena തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരവേ നമഃ. Salutations to that noble teacher who with the collyrium stick of knowledge has opened the eyes of one blinded by the darkness of ignorance. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Gurureva Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Salutations to that noble teacher who is Brahma, Vishnu and Lord Parameshwara, and who is verily the Supreme Brahman. Sthabaram jangamam vyaptam yatkinchit sacharacharam tatpadam darshitam yena tasmai shri gurave namaha. Salutations to that noble teacher who has made it possible to realize him by whom all that is sentient and insentient, movable and immovable is pervaded. Chinmayam vyapiyat sarvam trailokyam sacharacharam tatpadam darshitam yena തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരവേ നമഃ. Salutations to that noble teacher who has made it possible to realize him who pervades everything sentient and insentient in all the three worlds. Sarvashruti shiroratna विराजितपदाम्बुजः वेदाताम्बुजसूर्यो यः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Salutations to that noble teacher whose lotus feet are radiant with the luster of the crest jewel of all Shrutis, and who is the sun that causes the Vedanta lotus, that is the knowledge, to blossom forth. Chaitanya Shashvatah Shanto Vyomatito Niranjanaha Bindunadakalatiitaha തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരവേ നമഃ. Salutations to that noble teacher who is ever effulgent, eternal, peaceful, beyond space, immaculate, and beyond the manifest and the unmanifest. Jnana-shakti samarudhaha tat त्वमाला विभूषितः भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदाता च तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Salutations to that noble teacher who is established in the mighty knowledge and power, adorned by the garland of various principles, and who is the bestower of prosperity and liberation. अनेक जन्म संप्राप्त कर्मबन्ध विदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Salutations to that noble teacher who, by bestowing the knowledge of the self, burns up the bondage created by accumulated actions of innumerable births. शोषणं भवसिन्धोश्च ज्ञापनं सारसम्पदः गुरोपादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Salutations to that noble Guru, the waters touched by whose feet completely dry up the ocean of samsara and make one realize the supreme wealth. Na guroradhikam tattvam, na guroradhikam tapaha, tattvajnanat param nasti. तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Salutations to that noble Guru, than whom there is no higher truth. There is no higher penance than service to the Guru, and there is nothing higher than realization of God. Mannatha Sri Jagannatha Madguru Shri Jagadguruhu Madatma Sarvabhutatma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Salutations to that noble Guru, who is my Lord and the noble Lord of the universe, my teacher and the teacher of the universe, who is the self in me and self in all beings. Gururadiranaadischa Guruhu param daivatam Guro parataram nasti Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Salutations to that noble Guru, who is the beginning of the universe, but who is himself without a beginning. Guru is the supreme deity. There is none higher than the Guru. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva bandhuscha sakha tvameva vidya drabinam tvameva sarvam mama deva tvameva sarvam mama deva tvameva sarvam Sri Guru Deva. O Guru, you are my mother and my father, my family and friends, the source of all knowledge and prosperity. You are the Lord of all and my Lord. Thank you.